Today I'm going to teach you how to use the replace function in Google Sheets. This powerful function allows you to swap out specific characters in your text with new ones, which is incredibly useful for cleaning up data, fixing formatting issues, or updating information in bulk across your spreadsheet. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use the replace function. This will open up your Google Sheet and you'll be ready to start working with the formula. Make sure you're working in the correct spreadsheet to avoid any confusion or accidental changes to the wrong data. Now, before we dive into using the function, let's understand the formula structure. The replace function follows this format: equals replace open parenthesis, text comma position comma length comma new text close parenthesis. Let me break down what each part means so you know exactly how to use it. The first argument is text, which represents the original text or cell reference you want to modify. This could be actual text in quotes or a reference to a cell containing your data. Next is position, which tells the function where to start the replacement. This is the character number in your text, and it's important to note that counting starts at 1, not 0. So if you want to replace the first character, you'd use 1. The third argument is length, which specifies how many characters you want to remove from the original text starting from your position. This determines how much of the original text gets replaced. Finally, new text is what you want to insert in place of the removed characters. This is the replacement text that will appear in your result. Let's put this into practice. Click on an empty cell where you want your result to appear. Type equals replace open parenthesis. Now click on another cell that contains the data you want to modify, then add a comma for the position argument. Input 1 to start at the first character, then add another comma. Next, input 1 for the length, which means you're replacing just one character, and add another comma. Then input 8 as your new text, which will be the replacement value. Close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit enter to execute it. You'll immediately see the result. The first character of your original data has been changed to 8, demonstrating how the replace function works. This simple example shows how you can target specific positions in your text and swap them out with new values. The replace function becomes even more powerful when you combine it with cell references or use it across multiple rows of data. You can drag the formula down to apply the same replacement logic to entire columns, saving you tons of time on manual editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.